This video is sponsored by the brand Wellmax.
In this video, I'm going to go over my top features of the Wellmax Foldable Shopping Cart. First is going to be just how easy this can be unfolded so you can take it out of your car trunk and get rolling in a matter of seconds. When you are done using it, just fold it back up and it's ready to be put into storage. It only takes seconds, which is super awesome. Second thing I love about this is the 360 wheels. So the front ones are going to be able to turn wherever you need to bring this, and they have big, large rubber wheels on the back. So if you are on some uneasy ground, don't worry. It's going to be able to move over the stuff and keep you rolling smooth. The final thing I love about this is just how much storage it has. So it has a big storage space in the front of it. It's got a smaller storage compartment on the back of it, and then nice handles on the front with foam on them to keep your hands comfortable where you're pushing it around. So overall, it's a great foldable shopping cart, easy to install and set up, easy to take out of your trunk and get using, and has a lot of room to store all those groceries. So I give it 2 thumbs up.